Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing some combos for beginners. Let's get right into it. And before we get into the combos, make sure you have learned the index rollover, which look like this first, and the Y2K, the Y2K, and the orbit, which look like this. Okay, so now let's get right into it. So the first combo is index rollover Y2K plus basic or ice pick area. So the combo looks like this. Okay, like this, you see. So first you do the index rollover like this. Then you do the Y2K. And then you do the area like this. Okay, now let's get into the second combo, which is Y2K orbit basic tour, then Y2K again, then area. Okay, so first you are going to do a Y2K, which look like this, and when you are stopping here, you do the orbit like this, and then you transition it into a basic tour, which like this, and then you throw the handle down, do another Y2K, then you do the area. Okay, so that's about it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.